Okay, so here I am at Engage, your online presence social media on autopilot page. And as I've already signed in, it's super easy, but you can either click here to get started, and you can sign in either with your pre-filled in credentials with Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn, or as I already have an account, I'm just going to sign in here. So super easy. I'm going to use LinkedIn because I primarily use it in LinkedIn as well. And there we go, signing in. So just like that, we're in the dashboard. Now, when it's your first time, there will be little pop-ups that come up and navigate you through. The first thing that you want to do is connect your LinkedIn and learn your voice, or have the AI learn your voice. So to get going with that, you can start with either adding sources, and you can add your favorite people here that you like to follow. I've added mine here. And then if I go to my settings, this is where I'm going to set up my voice for LinkedIn. And this is my company, 365 Agents. This is my brand DNA from my website that I've added. And then I can go to the content studio and create some content. So I'm going to talk about AI voice and give it a second. I was too quick there, sorry. I'm going to do AI voice. And here it is, it's coming up with some ideas for me. In fact, I'll give it a little bump along here, see which happens first. We'll do there we go. The AI came up with some ideas based on the creators that I have, there we go, added here. So why most voice agents learning, here we go. Let's do the first one. And we can just use the topic. And there you go, it pops down here, continue with the topic, or I can regenerate, pick something else entirely. Can keep going for as long as I want. And then as I've got it tied to my LinkedIn, I can choose my tone. I'll be friendly, casual, maybe a how-to. And just like that, I can generate my topic. It's that straightforward. Now, I would recommend going back to look at the other YouTube channel links that do show you how to get started in more depth. But this is a quick overview of how to get everything up and running and your first post running really quickly. Okay, and here we have the post. It's come up just like that. And then the next step to do is generate an image or create a carousel. I like the carousel option. I have it already branded down here. That's my business there. I can choose an infographic though. I can choose all sorts of other types of images, quote and points. Like I said, carousel is my favorite. Generate the carousel. And there we go. That is all set. Then I just simply attach the carousel to the post, and then I go into the scheduler, and then I can schedule that for tomorrow, anytime I want. LinkedIn is probably the busiest in the morning, so I will schedule it for 7 o'clock. Schedule the post, and there we go. And I can check on my posts by going into my calendar and seeing how many posts I have ready to go. And this is the one that we just created, scheduled, and it's going to LinkedIn. Easy as that.